Hi guys, this is Sachi here. You're watching MudJar. So today this is an unboxing video. I'm going to unbox a plant I ordered from an online store, Ugaoo.com. So this is the packaging here. I've ordered two plants. Another plant is on the way. So let's open this plant first and see how it goes on. I have removed the top tape just to check if the plant was okay or not. I'm going to unbox it in front of you. So let's start with that. So this has some paper here, the bill, and this you can see the plant here. This actually is a Hovatia limifolia variegated variety, and then there you can see there's a rubber band here. I'm going to remove this. And then there is one more. So the packing is very good. I think the plant would have not even moved while transporting here. Okay, so I think I have to remove the tape from the bottom. Oops, it's open. 1, 2 and 3. So I'm very excited. This is my first unboxing video. Wow, the plant is nice. The packet says this plastic is also 100% recyclable, so that is great. From Ugaoo.com. This is not a sponsored video. I am just doing it because I ordered this online myself. Let's open and see the condition of the pot. So the plant seems very healthy and in a very good intact position. Like probably all the leaves are looking very good and they all are very crisp and healthy. This comes in a pot which is a self-watering pot, so if I can fill water here it will remain good, and if I don't want this tray also I can remove this probably like this. So let's see. I haven't used self-watering pot before this, so I'll share you my experience. Okay. So the top layer contains the sphagnum moss here, just to keep the soil intact. I'm probably going to remove it because it's a succulent. It does not need so much moisture all the time. It was just done so that it reaches safely without drying. So I'm just removing the top sphagnum. So I probably forgot to show you this also. The box also comes with the instruction. I just opened it according to my own thought process. So step 1 says hold the container and cut the rubber band, then remove the bottom lid and remove the plant. So I just opened the top lid to check the plant was okay or not. Rest I think we did it right. Just we removed the rubber band first. And yes, this says water this plant and keep it in sunlight at least for an hour. So first of all, this is an evening time when I'm doing this unboxing video, so there's no sunlight right now, and the plant seems quite wet now. At least it's moist, so I'll wait for it to dry because this is a succulent, so it's right to be mindful when to water it. So I've removed the top layer of the sphagnum. I'll place it in good light and then see for it how it works for me. And this is Hovatia limifolia variegated variety. Do you see the variegations here on the leaf bottom? It is very good, and even this has a little bit of red and pinkish shade. I don't know it's visible on the camera or not, but this is very beautiful. This came in a very good condition, and yeah, I would give like 5-star rating to Ugaoo for this plant, and I'm waiting for one more parcel, so I'll update about that. Stay tuned, keep watching. Hi guys, this is my another plant from Ugaoo.com. So this has come in a very tall packaging. I know which plant it is, but for which I did not expected this tall box. So let's unbox it and I'll show you how it appears to be. Guys, so this is a very big staghorn fern. I have been waiting for this size, and I was looking everywhere, and I just found this on Ugaoo.com. And when I saw the picture, I was like, I just had to order it. But I was a bit dicey that it may come in small size, but whatever size like large leaves were shown in the picture in Ugaoo.com website, it came like that, and I'm so happy it came in such a good conditions. The leaves looks just fuller, and this is one of my very wish list plant. And let me open the bottom part, and I am very happy from Ugaoo.com for this particular plant. Also, the last plant was in a very great condition, so I am really happy with the way it has been packed, and really happy with the quality, and whatever has been shown in the picture has been delivered to me. So this was my first time from Ugaoo.com. I had ordered from other websites before, but this buy was completely a great one, and I'm totally satisfied. Guys, so this was my first purchase from Ugaoo.com, and I'm really happy for that. And I told you, as I told you in the video, both my plants came like on different days, but I'm showing you in this one video, but both of them came in a very good condition, so I'm really happy. And yeah, I'm going to just tell you and show you updates on my Instagram and YouTube as well. If you like such videos like unboxing videos or like my plant haul videos, so please comment down below. I'll make more videos like this. And thank you for watching this video, and keep watching MudJar. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Bye.